I just did. Alright, I have it tilted in the air. Uh-huh. I did. Okay.
You are so adorable, little girl.
Where's
Mommy's calling you.
Perfect.
Hey, Shannon. You see where she's at, right?
I got her. You can go back down there. I got her. Gotta stay here. Watch the fireworks. Look at that. Perfect. Before the fireworks even went off, I had it right dead center. Perfect! Woo!
Come here, little girl. Come here. You're so cute. Come here. His name is Saphira.
Saphira, yeah.
Saphira, come here.
They're such assholes.
That's for fireworks.
Mm-hmm. Mario's just yelling. I can't. He has like $500 worth of illegal fireworks, and he made pipe bombs for them. So retarded.
They were across the lake.
Yep, they're shooting them across the lake. Oh, those fucking.
Mom, I want your fireworks.
Yep, Mommy's right behind you. She's right up there with Grammy. You going up there? Take your drink with you. Take your bottle. There you go. Shannon, Saphira's coming to you.
Alright, come here, baby.
Go ahead, she's right up there.
Turn around.
No? Alright, never mind. Hi, Saphira.
Saphira, come here. Come here.
Don't walk in front of the camera.
You
okay, we're
are
walking
a
in front.
cute little girl. Come here. Come here. How old are you? 5?
No, she's not. She's only 2.
She's 2.
Saphira's 2, right? Or 3?
She told me 5.
Well, at least you're working on telling the boys you're older.
Mine 5.
Marius is 5, you're right. No, Marius is 6, isn't he? Did Marius just turn 6 or 5? 6. Marius is 6, not 5. 6.
He's so sick.
Marius is fucking screaming. Come on, we're 3 minutes in and I've seen like 6 fireworks. What the hell is wrong with you people?
Exactly, that's what I'm thinking.
They probably fucked something up or broke something.
My name is Kylie. Yeah. Do you like that name? Huh?
Just call her Indian girl.
Just call me Indian.
Where's Mommy?
Say Indian.
Your mommy's right behind us.
Mommy's right behind you.
Right there.
Look, you want to see? Look.
I don't
See, that's
fucking know.
Mommy.
We're like 3.5 minutes in and they haven't set off fireworks for almost a minute now. I don't know what they're doing. They have a mortar tube that has 9 tubes on it so they can set off 9 fireworks at a shot, and they definitely haven't set off 9 fireworks yet. So I don't know what they're doing. They probably broke something.
Where are you going?
Is Steve over there?
Yeah. Where's she going, Ashley?
Saphira, where you going? Saphira, come here.
Saphira! Saphira!
Oh, her Grammy. There we go. That's some fireworks! Woo! Where are you going? So many ways to love you. I fucking hate this song.
Where's my phone at?
My light isn't very bright. I tried. There's my munchkin.
I can't believe you're a mom now.
I know. I miss my baby. I missed him before he even pulled out of the driveway. I almost cried when my mom left. It's weird. Because now, like normally you wouldn't ever think, like, you could, like, love such a little monster so much.
Yeah.
And, like, miss him so much when he leaves. But, like, I miss him so much.
Well, that's your offspring. You're gonna miss him.
I know.
Imagine you having an offspring. It still blows my mind.
I never thought I would have a baby at the age of 20. Never.
Me neither.
Like, look at my life. Like, until I got pregnant. Like, look at it.
Crazy.
My life was a drunken mess. A drunken mess.
That's what I am right now.
It's okay, I got her. I see her. Come here, come here, Saphira.
Come here.
But, like, I don't know. You wouldn't ever, like, I would never think at the age of 20 I would have a baby.
I would never thought that either.
I would never think at the age of 20 I'd be engaged.
Are you engaged? Are you?
We're not, like, I have a promise ring, which is technically my, like, he didn't officially ask me, but, like, we're engaged. Like, we're, like, every time somebody asks him, he's like, that's my fiance. That's my baby's mom.
Listen, I fucking love
But, like, we don't plan on, like, getting married for, like, a couple years.
That's good.
I want the baby. I want Jackson to be the ring bearer in our wedding. So he would have to walk. So, not till he's, like, 2 or 3 at least. Yeah, she's on my lap. What are you doing taking off your shoes? You got grass in your shoes, dude.
The babe wanted to get the beer or not.
I'm almost out of a drink, but I'm not getting up. I can't. I have to videotape this. Where are you going? They're gonna get in trouble for those. Go to mommy if you're going up there. She's over there. She's coming to you. Her feet are dirty because she took her shoes off. They're right here. She got grass in her shoes. I got her. You gonna take your shoes to mommy, or are you coming to sit down? Okay. She's so adorable. You should see her. When we go to Steve and Shannon's house, I walk in and she goes, Ashley! And she runs to me and she gives me this big hug and she gives me a kiss. And when I was pregnant, she would rub my belly and she goes, I love baby. All the time. It was so cute. Where are you going? Where are you going? Stay here. Saphira, come here. Saphira, come here.
Holly, she's coming back to you.
Holly!
Sophie, what's up, babe? Girlfriend. Here's my girlfriend.
Her name isn't Sophie. Her name's Saphira Connor, not Sophie. Who is that? Oh. Cody and who? Oh.
I got her.
Are you inside eating all my Jell-O shots? Are you guys inside eating all my Jell-O shots? No. Oh. Who's that? Oh, that's JK.
What?
I didn't know who you were at first.
You want a chair?
No. No. The camera's on the ground anyway. Thanks though. It's okay.
With my bottle of Jack.
There's a fridge inside if you'd like to put it inside. Or are you drinking it straight?
Straight.
Oh, okay, never mind. Saphira, I see you coming. Come here. Come sit down.
Do you have a ball?
No, she got her bottle.
Bottle.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to get Mommy.
Go ahead, go get mommy. Shannon, here she comes.
Timmy!
He's down there somewhere. You guys are staying, right? You're staying here tonight?
I don't know.
Okay, well, either which way I need...
Timmy brought a tent. We're supposed to set it up, but no.